One thing that's always bothered me about this Cat 304 excavator is these pedals that make the tracks travel. This is too low for me. It doesn't fit me ergonomically. The front is okay, but when I try to press down with my heel, this is too low. So, I'm gonna weld these on 3/4 inch rebar and see how it does. I don't know if it's gonna be too much or not enough. I'll let you know. Be sure and disconnect your battery when you do this. As you can see, I didn't weld them real hard. If I need to cut them off and put something big on it, okay. If it need to be small, I can just grind some off of them. But I'm hopeful this is going to be about the right size. So let me see how it does. Load. Well, worked pretty good. It's a big improvement. If anything, it could be a little bit bigger in diameter. So if I had it to do over, I would go with 1 inch diameter rebar. But that 3/4 is just enough to really help a lot. Hey, how about that big thumbs up? Thanks for watching, guys.